And we are back here in the wharf, and just the right time the ferry arrives and we're going to the other side. We are now back here in Stockton. Now I need to look for that caravan park. So this is the NRMA camping ground. I don't know if I'll be able to camp in there. To be honest, I am shy. I'm also a little worried, scared. I don't know. Okay, so we are now here in the Stockton NRMA. Yes, I can see from here most of them are cars. And I don't know, I don't see any tent in here. The feeling I have is shy. And I don't know. I feel like all the people will look at me that I am building my tent. And look at these caravans. It is getting dark now. Looks like some of them are permanent. I've been around. Okay, I think this is the one. It's right. Okay, so this is going to be the place. I actually choose the one with the electricity, so it's $44. I don't know which one in here. Maybe this one. Oh yeah. So it means that my bike must be near here and my tent will be there. Can I stay there or here? Good evening. Good. So basically it always comes with this kind of thing, like a stick, and then put that in here, just pull it through there and the rest will be easy. And then you will lock it here. This one. Oh, it goes all the way. And that's it. And you open this. You now have a house. And it also comes with this hook. Yeah, this one will keep this tent in place by putting it in here. Okay, this is my bike. It is charging at the moment, and I have my tent here, as you can see. Yeah, I have this light. Yeah, and I am now going to the kitchen because I'm going to boil some water for my instant noodles. Yeah, this is the public toilet. For you to be able to get inside the toilet, you need to put the pin. All the door are pin operated. So if you don't know, if you here without the password, so you can't go inside. And this kitchen is open until 9:30. There is a gaming area here, watching movie. There are some books and information. And this is the kitchen, hot water. I just hope that I have I think it's in here in my backpack. I'll check. confirmed that I don't have a spoon or anything to eat with this. And look what happened. My food is spilled on my sleeping bag. What is that? Good thing I have this toilet paper. And I'm going to dry that. The problem now is I don't know how I'm going to eat this one. I forgot where I put the spoon. I remember I put it somewhere. You know the KFC one? 8 degrees centigrade and very cold. You know, I'm good with my body. It is now 5:29 and the temperature is 8 degrees centigrade. Yeah, it's really cold. The problem is my feet. Yeah, even under the sleeping bag it's really cold. Another problem is the moist. You can see that there's some water moisty. Yeah, whenever I touch the tent, oh, it's cold, it's watery. And of course the noise coming from outside, coming from the waves of the water. The sun is rising on that side and it's turning red. Beautiful also. We are now out of the caravan park and we are driving in here. We are heading to the breakwater. Starlight Express. Okay, we are here now. I am actually wearing 4 layers, 2 t-shirt long sleeve, and then 1 sweater, and then this snow jacket. I'm still feeling cold. The temperature here in this Pelican really early. The temperature, another Pelican really early. It is 8 degrees. Oh, there is one big cat. There's one big cat. It is brighter in the camera than it is in real life. You know, I need to keep on moving because my foot finger is getting numb because of the cold temperature. Without all this thing, you can't stay longer in here. Good morning. As you can see, there's some people there. Keep on walking around here already. So I sing. And the sun shows. You can't really stare in there. You can't really looking in there. Okay, that's it for that sun. I'm going to show you this cat. Actually, this cat is not just this one. There are so many. They are hiding now, and I believe they are staying here. You see? Yeah, they are just everywhere around here. There's one in there, in here. Yeah, they are living actually under these rocks. Because I was looking here, and there is one eye looking at me. And there is one, look at this, Lynn Marie Haggis. Yeah, so there are many cats living in here. They are all fat, I mean they are all healthy looking. So maybe because they are eating maybe they eat fish. Okay, we're now going back to the campsite. I'm going to fold my tent. We are here, and you know this tent, look at that, something this is watery. The sun is fully up in there already, and this is what I ate last night. It's instant noodles, my tent, and can you imagine this bike can carry all those stuff, and the other travelers, they have like that. All I need to do is just pull it. It is still watery, and I'm going to dry it when I get home, put it in the there, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, so we are again ready, and my bike is organized. Okay, we go. I am in the wrong way. It's okay. I am on my bike. Oh, to be honest, I did not have a good sleep last night. Yeah, I feel like I was trying to figure out how to sleep the whole night last night. Yeah, because it was very cold. Not in the body, but my feet. I have just my socks, and it's not enough. I also try to wear my shoes, but still not enough. Yeah, I was inside my sleeping bag, and yeah, with the sleeping bag is good, but really my feet is not, the socks is not enough. Should be more thick or a thermal one. Oh, the cargo ship is here. Oh, I need to go first to the town center of this Stockton. We're going to buy a coffee, a cup of coffee, cappuccino maybe. We are waiting for the coffee from this coffee shop. Yeah, this is their, I don't know if this is large, but yeah, when I sip it, the taste is just amazing. But I'm going to transfer it here so that the heat will last longer. I'm expecting 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm expecting myself to be in Nelson Bay by 1 o'clock.